Okay. Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Ali. Today I want to present about research methodology in education, code ERS 22203. Test 1, article review. My name is Muhammad Aziz bin Hashim. For my research article title is The Impact of Time Management on the Student Academic Achievement. For introduction, Sazia Nasrullah, PhD, and Muhammad Saqib Khan, PhD, both of them was from Department of Education, Kotaba, University of Science Technology, Peshawar, and Department of Business Administration, Gomal University, Dera Ismail Khan. The aim of the current research was to determine the relationship between the time management skill and academic achievement of the student. Time management is very important and it may actually affect individual overall performance and achievement. Tough, effective, and efficient use of time varies with respect to tasks performed. The further increase in the level of knowledge and skills expected from modern employee has further increased the necessity of time planning. The road to success in social life passes through effective and efficient working, which is only possible via time management. Time management play a vital role in improving student academic performance and achievement. Each and every student should have time management ability, which include setting goal, priorities, using time management mechanism, and being organized in using time. For the second introduction is in the developing countries where students have a lot issue during academic journey, new study for researcher to dig out much more interesting result. Time management practice have an impact on the result of student as empirical student. The studies done by past researcher, in spite of knowing about the impact of time on academic achievement, this relationship is not given importance by students. Ongoing problem of scarcity of knowledge in connection with time management and academic output is due to lack of easiness and costly way of collecting data. Driven by this fact, particular emphasis have been paid in the modern education system to time management issue by evaluating based on necessity of effective time management required from the student during their academic and professional life. Field research has been conducted in the present paper toward the aim designing their position with respect to effective time management and determining the effect of their management skill on their academic achievement. For the last introduction is time management play a vital role in improving student academic performance and achievement. Each and every student should have time management ability, which include setting goal, priorities, using time management mechanism, being organized in using time. Here, time management is only possible through self-motivation, performance, ability, and motivation. For the last of this introduction is to do to mismanagement of time, the gap behind. This study will help to analyze the positive or negative impact of time management on academic performance of students. It will also help to make some decision about change we would like to make to use our time for effectively. Okay, for the methodology is the first of methodology is survey approach. The social research methodology suggests the survey is the accessible instrument for manager to gather primary fact and figure by using interview and questionnaire about the attitude and perception of individual. The literature suggests that question A approach is the best commonly used approach of observation in social science. For the second methodology, population of population and sample, the entire group of objects in which the researcher is concerned and desired to design generalize is the population. All the elements that we are studying and about which we are trying to draw conclusion is the population. In this research paper, the population interest consists of the student of Kutuba University of Science and Technology, Peshawar. Data collection method, secondary source. All research certainly include the use of the documentary material, periodical pamphlet, and books in the libraries. Noticeably, without this preliminary orientation, no research project can be undertaken, nor should one be undertaken without knowledge of the research that has already been done in field. For the last methodology is tool for data analysis. Descriptive tools, the table and cross tabulation are example of descriptive statistics that display data so that they are easier to understand and manipulate. To present the classification of the respondent according to their demographic attribute, cross table have been used. Also, about the research variable showing the means, standard deviation, and other data, a descriptive table is given. For the testing of hypotheses about the relationship between the research variable, the researcher has also used inferential tool to test the hypothesis. Multiple tools have been applied regarding the demographic attribute of the respondent as well the relation between the research variable themselves. For my discussion is to assist students to have command to how effectability until design of time manage their academic achievement. Second, to find the interaction between time management and academic achievement of the student. To create an attempt to fill the gap exists the research of time management and academic achievement of the student, and to explore more and more knowledge of time management and academic achievement of the student. Last but not least, to explore concept association between academic achievement and the time management practice in a developing country like Pakistan. Okay, for my last conclusion, the aim of this study was to determine the relationship between the time management, academic achievement of university students. All in all, we found that time management is highly related to academic performance of university students. That is, our research study has shown that successful students are good time manager. This result, however, can be generalized to the student living in the others University of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Second, the success of student was above average. There was a significant and positive relation between the time planning, time management, and academic performance of the student. There was a low and positive relation between time consumer and academic achievement. There was a meaningful and moderate relation between time management and academic achievement. They found an association found between the time management practice, academic achievement, and stress reduction as the research study demonstrated that an association exists between anxiety, listening, practice of time management, and higher academic success. Giving time to studies outside the class or at home have some positive impact of the studies, and spending more time working have some negative impact on the output of the student. So this is my references. Uh, Thank you for this presentation to Dr. Ali. Uh, Thank you.